Next question, Shalom Kol. Question about divine reimbursement for Shabbos. If one bought a new dress for Shabbat on Monday, but she found a better dress on Wednesday and designate the second dress for Shabbos, does she got reimbursed for both dresses or just the one actually used?
So that's a really good question. The proper way would be on this Shabbos, wear this dress, and says Lakovat Shabbos, so in respect of Shabbos, that's it. So next Shabbos, use a different dress. That's it. So say it's Lakovat Shabbos. That's it. That's would be proper way. Or if needed for two dresses, for example, for whatever reason, Friday night wear one dress and Shabbos day use another dress. That's it. So both of them are sanctified with the holiness of Shabbos, and we actually do it with everything. I mean, with everything possible, right? So first we would use it for Shabbos, even if it sucks, doesn't matter. So like fresh socks, I did like a brand new, right? No, not fresh, but brand new, right? I did not. Of course, I could have wear it on Thursday, Friday when I needed. No, but I saved them. I would use the laundered one on Thursday and Friday, but on in honor of Shabbos, I would wear new socks and everything, shorts, everything, absolutely everything. So that's how you show that it's very something that's very important to you. So some people save like some special dish or something for the guests. So they would eat from a paper plate or like cheapest plate possible, but when the guests come, they could put like the biggest show. Okay, so in some sense, be like that per person, right? So you save the best for Shabbos to say how important for those people. They show how people of flesh and blood important to them. They won't impress them, but for HaShem said, your Shabbos is so important to me, and I want to impress you. I want to thank you for Shabbos, and that's how I show you that I have one dress for this Shabbos, next dress for another, or two in one, but on different occasions. And that would be the proper way. And plus, just if you want to like cook a little more, right, and that you would be eating like the rest of the week. It's also holiness of Shabbos, yeah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Next question, Shalom Kol. If we have a dress for Shabbos and we use for some time, but we have a new one, a better one, a new and better one, and are we allowed to use the old one during the week? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Yes, yeah. I mean, I apologize. Maybe I didn't explain it well, but that's exactly what I meant. So if you need it for your work, for example, and it's dressy enough, for example, right? So you can one for Shabbos. You say Lakovat Shabbos. So you use it even once and leave it for the rest of the week. Yeah. And you have something better or like new would absolutely substitute. That's a proper way, like it's going down in holiness, because there's no spiritual holiness in these things. Let's put it this way. Otherwise, in holiness we don't decrease; we only go up. But in this case, there is no like intrinsic holiness in clothing.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.